Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I'm the Reference and Instruction Librarian at the Alpharetta campus. Today I'll be giving you a quick introduction on finding basic resources using the library website, but first I'll talk a bit about the library and what it can offer you as a GSU student. As a college student, you will have many assignments requiring scholarly research activities, like annotated bibliographies and incorporating outside sources into your essays. The research process involved is often simplified into 8 steps, as you can see on this graphic. Step 1 is to define your topic. The topic you're researching is often decided by the professor in your course and the assignment they're having you do. Then you narrow your topic. The third step is gathering background information. Oftentimes, the background information you collect can be the texts or sources you read in class. The next step is to create a research question, and then you develop your working thesis or central idea to guide your whole essay around. Step 6 is where you start to find and evaluate resources based on your central idea. Once you've compiled all your sources, you then incorporate those outside sources into your writing and cite them in a specific style, like MLA or APA style. Finally, you write your paper after completing all the previous steps. Some of these steps happen at the same time or in a slightly different order, but you will be doing all of these steps with a lot of your courses, so it's important to know how the library can help you along the way. We offer many services here at GSU Library that can help you as a student. Your librarians at all perimeter campuses can help you with the research process, particularly the steps relating to narrowing your topic, gathering background information, finding and evaluating resources, and citing those resources. You can also work with the Learning and Tutoring Center on some of these steps, which is another office to help you with your thesis and writing process. At the library, we can also offer you study and workspaces at all 6 of our campus locations, technology checkout, and books from anywhere within the university system of Georgia. First, what are libraries known for? Books, and we have a lot of them, over 1 million in fact. Not all of these are available at the Alpharetta Library, but using our catalog, you can request any of the books at the other campuses to get delivered to you at the Alpharetta Library. From the library homepage, you would simply select Library Catalog, search for the book you want, and request the item to be placed on the side for you. I have an example here searching for the book The Hate You Give. You can sign in to request the item, and we could pull it from our shelf and hold it after you place the request. If this weren't available at Alpharetta, you could have also requested a copy from our Atlanta or Valdosta State University library. Once it arrives from the other library, you would receive an email at your student account that it was ready for pickup. We also subscribe to over 400 research databases in a variety of disciplines that provide you specialized access to high-quality resources like journal articles, datasets, streaming video, and newspapers. We at the library can find you the right database to get you what you need. In fact, I'll briefly introduce 2 databases that can help you get started on your research today. The library website, web address library.gsu.edu, is your access point to get high-quality research databases and our book catalog. It's also the place you can find general information about our library, like all the campus library locations and hours. You can also use our website to receive online help from a librarian via chat or frequently asked questions. Finally, there's a page on what accessibility and accommodation resources we have available at each campus library. In the next couple of slides, I'll briefly discuss a couple of databases we have that may help you on some assignments you may have this semester. Let's say you have a research assignment that requires you to find particular information about a career. Did you know we had a special database for that? Ferguson's Career Guidance is a comprehensive database for career exploration and allows users to find the valuable career information they may need. Here is what a sample page looks like, with quick facts and figures about the career you're researching, as well as a comprehensive report about the career in question. The next scenario I'll be discussing is how to find scholarly articles. Let's say you're writing a paper about cyberbullying, and your professor has requested you find a high-quality source, like a scholarly article. Discover can be easily found from the library homepage and acts as a Google-type resource for library databases. You can access Discover straight from the library homepage in the middle. Simply type in your search terms here. Once you're in the results screen, you can limit the scholarly articles with this check mark on the left side of the screen. This will limit your results to higher quality sources published in journals. Because these are higher quality sources, keep in mind they're not written for a general audience and may be advanced to read. Most databases will also show you how to cite the article. Consider these as a starting point for putting together a good citation. You should always check this against your official handbook for MLA or APA or the free online resource Purdue OWL. We can talk more about this in a future workshop. This has been a quick introduction to the library and the services we provide. As you can see, the library has a lot of resources to help you find the sources you need as well as cite them, and I'm just scratching the surface. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help on any of your assignments this semester. You can book me for a one-on-one research appointment in person or virtually at the link bit.ly/skresearch. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.